move on. All right, so next one is on the retirement. So we have some of the new changes. So in the March 31, we are going to do the retirement on GPT-4 Omni model. It was the score in quite low, actually 13, and OpenAI decided to retire by I think middle of this month, but because we are using Azure, so actually we have some more weeks to stay, so it will be available until March 31. And we have three options for you to replace. One is to replace with GPT OSS 120B. It was like having the 33 score, so it's much higher than GPT-4 Omni. The second option is like GPT-5 Nano, which is 26 score. And also we are also introducing a new model. We call it GLM 4.7 Flash, which is a new model, and it's actually scoring around 21. This model is very small and also very smart for this size. So I think I believe that this is a good candidate to replacement for GPT-4 Omni, and I suggest that you can try on this part. All right, so let's move on. So next one I would like to share is on one of the updates from Rick. Thanks Rick for creating this one.